What's going on, people? Back with a bang. This is the Money Management, back with another video. And of course, today is Monday, so I'm here to bring you guys your Monday motivation, just like every single Monday, to get you guys up and ready, positive, and in the right mood to continue the week. Now, today's message is, we're all in this together. And if you don't know what I'm referring to, no, it's not High School Musical, but I'm referring to the situation that we are currently living in. I know it feels like a movie. We've got the pandemic, we've got unemployment rates skyrocketing, we've got all sorts of stuff happening. For those of you in the US, you've got a new president coming in, you had, constant different events that just keep coming up. And it's like, when is this ever gonna end? Now add that to the fact that there's so many restrictions on our lives because of quarantine, because of lockdown, because of all sorts of things. And I'm sure you guys can relate to exactly what I'm saying, and you guys probably feel similar to how I felt recently. And it's just like, it's that feeling inside you, like, when is this gonna end? That draining feeling, waking up and saying, another day of this, another day the same thing over and over again. Like, really, when is all of this gonna stop? You're tired of it. I'm tired of it. We're all tired of it. But we're all in this together. And I know how strange it sounds. I know how weird it sounds. You might feel alone. You might feel isolated. You might feel different sort of emotions similar to that. But we're all here. We're all going through this, and we're all in this together. So like I said, today's message is we're all in this together. And I'm gonna break it down, explain to you a few things that we can remember going forward, and hopefully we'll come out of this much better, much stronger, and this will all come to pass. Now, before we dive into that, you guys know the deal. Drop that thumbs up if you guys do enjoy today's message. I know you guys do love a good money motivation, so yeah, drop that thumbs up. Please also make sure to comment. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. It would be nice to interact with you guys as always. Share these videos and also hit the red button below if you're new to this channel. But today's message, we are all in this together. So I know that it doesn't feel like we're all in this together, especially because there are people out there who are not abiding to rules. People are doing what they want. People seem to be, breaking rules each and every day, just making a whole mess of everything. But in theory, we are all in this together. Now, you may be going into your second lockdown, your third lockdown. Some of you guys might be moving into tier 4, tier 5. Some of you guys might not even know what's happening. But again, we're all in this together. So let me give you guys a few different scenarios, and you guys are going to understand why I say this. Think about the fact that many of us are not able to go to gyms, doing the simple things like getting up, going out, heading off to the gym. Think about the fact that many of us are not able to go to work, to see people who are not only our co-workers, but often at times our friends. Many of us are not able to have regular social interactions, go out, enjoy a drink with our friends, chill, have fun. Many of us are not even able to see family, whether that's, in the next town, whether that's an hour away, whether that's taking a flight somewhere. Many of us are not able to. Many of us out there are not able to go to school, whether that's university, whether that's high school, whether that's middle school, no matter what it may be. Whatever form of institution of education that is, many of us are just not able to go there. And that means you're not seeing your school friends, that means you're not seeing the people you study with, that means you're not seeing all sorts of people that you would usually see on a day-to-day basis. Now, add that into the fact that many of you out there are looking for jobs. Many of you guys out there are unemployed, have been unemployed for a long time. And many of you guys out there are still not able to find jobs because places are not hiring, you've been let off, you've been furloughed, people are not really ready to spend money on getting new people in. And all these kind of things I just mentioned are holding you back. Now, add this to the fact that many of you, especially in the US, have been given $1,800 to survive on for, the best part of 9 months. And you're thinking, what exactly is this? So from all the different subjects I just mentioned, all different scenarios I just mentioned, I'm sure many of you out there can relate to one of them, 2 of them, maybe 3 or 4 of them. And when I tell you guys that many of those situations I just mentioned, I can relate to, and the person to your left, the person to your right, other people who are watching this can relate to, that's why I say we're all in this together. Yes, these times are extremely annoying, extremely frustrating, can feel overwhelming, can make you feel very unhappy, but we are all in this together. So I do want to offer some positive words and some encouragement, because that's exactly what money motivations are for. Stay strong during this period of time. Think about that fact that what you're going through, if it makes it easier for you, many other people are going through. And I know it doesn't sound nice and it's not the best time to say these kind of things, but yes, the situation could be a whole lot worse. We do have to try and remember that. It is very difficult to keep the kind of perspective that I'm talking about right here, but it's definitely needed. And right now, you might have 1,000 different problems, and the person to your left might have another 1,000 different problems. But I guarantee you, we're all going through some kind of problems in some form. And yes, again, someone's maybe worse than someone else's. But if you remember the fact that we're all in this together, it just might help you cope with it a little bit easier. Think about the fact that a year from now, 2 years from now, 3 years from now, we should be out of this. In fact, when I say a year from now, I said that last year, so who knows. But think about the fact that eventually all of this is going to stop. The unemployment rates cannot skyrocket high forever. The minimum wage cannot be held low forever, as you guys know. People are not going to keep contracting this virus forever. We're not going to be stuck indoors, locked down in quarantine forever. And there's so many different other things that are happening right now which are not going to last forever. So we have to stay strong. We have to keep a positive mind as best as possible. Here are some things you can do. Literally go on Google, type in positive quotes. I guarantee you a bunch of different positive quotes will come up. Go onto YouTube, watch motivating videos like this, but also many others. Find peaceful music, meditate, stretch, do yoga, do these kind of things because they will help you. You know, there's so much stuff we want to accomplish in this life, at least most of you guys who watch this channel, and it will be a lot easier to accomplish that when we're in the right mood. Now, when you're losing months and months of your life, or when it feels like you're losing months of your life, it's difficult to keep that positive attitude. It's difficult to stay focused. And that's why I'm here to remind you again, we're all in this together. Keep working hard, keep focused on what you want to do. Because when the situation ends, when this period ends, we're all going to be happy, we're all going to be celebrating. I'm sure there are many of you guys out there who can't wait to go to every single party, every single festival, every single meetup, go out with your friends every night once all of this ends. It's going to really feel like a completely different period of time, and it will be. So again, what you're going through right now, in some way, shape or form, everyone else is going through as well. And it might look better for others than you. You know, I've experienced that too. You know, we see people on social media flexing that they're doing this and this and that. You know, they've gone to this place yesterday, they're going to this place tomorrow. They just got a new car, they just bought a new house for their family. They just did all this kind of stuff. And you're like, well, we're in the middle of a pandemic, aren't we? Like, what is going on here? Trust me, whether that's happening or whether it's not happening, there's way more people that you don't see. And I'm talking about the people who are not posting anything, even the people who are posting things. A lot of us have stuff going on behind the scenes, but we've got to stay strong. We've got to stick with each other. We've got to try and do what's best for ourselves in the long run. Again, I guarantee you guys, we're going to come out of this eventually. And when we come out of this, it'll be a lot stronger than we went into it. How many of us went in last March thinking, okay, a lockdown. Well, we know this virus is around. Okay, a few months of lockdown and then I guess things will start getting back to normal. How many of us thought, you know, in June, July, okay, it's summer, it's the warm months, this virus is going to go away. We're going to get, you know, life back up and running again. How many of you guys went into August, September thinking, okay, well, you know, we're going back into our lockdown, but this will be our last lockdown, so we should be good. How many of you are now here today thinking, when is this all going to end? You know, I'm tired of it. I can definitely resonate with you guys when you say you're tired of it. You're tired of the whole thing. You're tired of everything that's going on. And again, don't worry. I'm experiencing it. You're experiencing it. We're all experiencing it in some form. Just like I mentioned, if you're going to school or not going to school, if you're going to work or not going to work, if you're stuck at home, if you're stuck without a job, if you're not able to see your friends, your family, your loved ones, all these kind of things will not last forever. It feels like months and years have been taken off your life. Don't worry, there's many more months and many more years that we will all enjoy in our respective areas, in our respective fields, in our respective countries. We will all enjoy a much better time. So please do keep that in mind. And again, it's not easy. I know that. I'm trying to tell you guys that, you know, you should keep a positive mind, keep some perspective, and it isn't easy. But all these months that you've gone through, you've made it through, you've made it here. Before you know it, a year has passed, and hopefully it's not going to be multiple years that pass, but yeah, before you know it, a year has passed, and you'll be like, you know what? It was grueling, it was tough, it was testing. I'm mentally tired, but I've made it here. Who's to say that when I come out of this, I won't be a much stronger person, won't be much better off mentally, won't know how to deal with similar things going forward. Again, you guys will come out of this and say, you know what? Actually, I reached new levels, you know, during lockdown. I actually realized there were certain things I could live without. There are certain things I could go without. There are certain things I knew how to manage. There were certain ways I knew how to manage my time better. There were certain things that I've now done which I can hold together for my rest of my life. You know, when I look back, I can think, you know what, from the beginning of lockdown to the end of lockdown, or from the middle of lockdown to the end of lockdown, I actually realized, hey, I'm much better off doing this or that. Hey, I don't actually need that what I had before. I don't need to spend money like this when I go out. I don't always need to do A or B when I'm living my daily life. You know, there are just some positive factors there, some positive points I'm trying to think of, which will be relatable eventually after all of this is over. And lastly, I do want to say, for those of you out there who are not paying attention to the rules and not doing all the stuff that you should be doing, do remember that there are many people out there that are dying, that are suffering, that are losing loved ones, that are falling ill, falling sick, taking a long time to recover. And when you know those kind of people, it makes it a lot easier to pay attention to those kind of details and actually abide by the rules and abide by the laws. So yeah, again, if you are watching this and you do hear this message, please just know that we do all need each other to do the right thing so that we can actually make progress going forward. So that's it for your Monday motivation, and hopefully you guys are up and ready to attack another week. Hopefully you guys are in a better mood to attack another week. Like I said, there are a few different things you can do: yoga, meditation, listen to podcasts, reading positive motivational quotes, that sort of stuff. But I do want to mention, for those of you who are waiting for my week 2 recap of my 0 to 100K challenge, that will be out tomorrow. And yeah, it's going to be a very interesting one because last week was a tough week, but it's all part of it, so I'm going to upload that video, even though it was definitely tough to record. Added to that, please make sure you guys check out all the links in the description. We have free cryptocurrency, free stocks, free guide to online business, and a few other things there. Just go check it out. Again, make sure to like, subscribe, comment, share, all that good stuff. So thanks a lot for today's video. That's it from me. I got into making, got positivity to be chasing. See you guys tomorrow for another video. Peace.